Ghostwriting is a term used for books, articles, stories and other texts that are written by another author without giving them an official credit. This other author is called a ghostwriter. In the corporate world, popular people such as celebrities, political leaders and executives hire ghostwriters to write or proofread and edit written materials that aim to promote them. The same applies to most corporate companies who hire freelancers, as they don't usually credit them. Making money from ghostwriting is just as easy as doing blogs. However, ghostwriting requires more effort, attention to detail and it's a much longer process. How ghostwriters are paid depends on the kind of writing they are assigned to do. The signing of contracts is required in most ghostwriting projects to ensure privacy and protection to the company's rights. Depending on the agreement of the company towards their ghostwriters, they can be paid in full before the start of the project, gradually or on completion. However, ghostwriters are more than likely hesitant to sign up to a contract where payments are only done when the project is finished. Ghostwriting is a great way to enhance your writing skills without the pressure of suffering the criticisms of your writing. However, it also takes away your exposure and right to own the content you've produced.